Good morning, students. So, today we are going to learn about the operations on decimals. We have already learned about what are decimals. You have the conception of decimals. So, today we are going to start the operations on decimals. Operations means mathematical operations that can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So, first of all, what we are going to do is addition of decimals. So in the first question, you can see some of the decimals given here. The first one is 16. The second one you can see here 8.7. Third one is 0.94. Fourth one is 6.8. And the last one is 7.77. Now what we will do is we have already studied about the like decimals in the earlier classes. So we will convert each of the decimals into like decimal. That means we have to count for the numbers which are after the decimal. The highest number after the decimal we can see here is 2. That is, after the decimal we can see here two numbers are here. What are they? 9 and 4. In the same way, you can see for the last number after the decimal we can see two numbers are here. What are they? 7 and 7. So this is the highest number of numbers which are after the decimal. So we will convert each of the numbers into like decimal. That means we will convert each of the decimal numbers into the like decimals. See here, what I have done is I have written 16 as 16.00. In the same way, I have converted 8.7 to 8.70. Next, you can see here 0.94 will remain the same as it has two digits after the decimal. So I will never change it. The next one is 6.8. So I have converted it into 6.80. And the last one is 7.77, which is already two digits after the decimal. So it will also remain the same. Now what I will do is I will add all the like decimals. See here, 16.00, 8.70, 0.94, 6.80 and 7.77. So what I have done is I have add all the numbers here. And what I got after adding is 40.21. Is it clear to everyone? It is nothing but we have to convert each of the decimal numbers into like decimals. Then we have to add all the decimals one by one and we have to get the sum as we usually do in any addition in mathematics. Okay. Next I will come to the next operation, that is subtraction. You can see here the first question is 14.79 from 72.43. I have to subtract this. How I will subtract? So I will take the number which is greater, from which I have to subtract 14.79. So I have written 72.43 first. Then I have subtracted 14.79 from the number. So it is nothing but the same as we have done in the subtraction of normal numbers. That means we have to take carry 1 and proceed in the same way. So after subtraction you can get the same number, that is 57.64. This will be the result. And if you face any problem while solving this subtraction, you can message me in WhatsApp or you can comment here. Is it clear? So the next question you can see here is the subtraction. The second question is here. 2.5307 from 8. This is a tricky question. What I will do is I will convert this 8 into like decimal. Like decimal means I have to convert this number as this one. So what I have done is I have put the decimal here and then I have convert this number into like decimals. How many digits are there after the decimal? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I have done is I have put the decimal Then put the 4 knots here. You can see here. That means 4 zeros to make it like decimal. And then subtract it easily in the same way which I have done in the earlier subtraction. So what I got is, after subtraction, that is 5.4693. Is it clear to everyone? So if you have any doubt on today's class or any operation on mathematics, you can text me on WhatsApp or you can comment here. I will upload one of the worksheet in your WhatsApp group. You have to solve after watching this complete video, and you can ask if you have any queries regarding the video. Okay.